Hello everyone. Guess what time it is? It's time for another amazing adventure. Put on your seatbelts because today is going to be awesome. Let's go explore together.
I had so much fun with you today. Did you enjoy it too? If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.